Guys, what's up? It's Gamer Time here, and this is Madden 12 Ultimate Team, and I'm decided to make a mini series on it. So I just got enough coins to buy a gold premium pack. So I'm gonna buy it, see how much I get, see what I get, see any good players. Right now I have a pretty bad team because I just started. Oh geez. I get all Bradshaw, AJ Hawk, Harris, Gitson, Abdullah, Singe, Royal, and Harbaugh. That's amazing. Away Vikings, Cardinals, Saints defense, extension. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. It's awesome. Woo. So that's just a mini series. Like a small video on just me opening a pack. Then I'll do some games. Probably tomorrow or the day after that, I'll post a game of me playing with these teams. So yeah. Here. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys later. Bye.